Hello and welcome to you all at www.allinchmaterial.com. In this session we are going to do reasoning in 2 seconds. Our today's topic is coding and decoding. This is one of the most important part that we do in competitive exams. It takes time because we don't know and don't able to know the proper sequence of the letters. For that purpose we just need to know the number of sequence of alphabets A to Z. Let's say A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. Similarly we need to know the number of each letter, each alphabet. It starts with SOT. We have to just know the table of 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Y represents its position at 25, T represents it 20. T can be easily remember as T20, O 15, J 10, E 5. These letters can be easily understood as we all know A to E. It is on our lips and every time present in our mind to know the positioning from A to B, 1 to 5, and X, Y, Z, that means 24, 25 and 26. So don't need to remember these alphabets from A to E and X, Y, Z because these are already present in our mind. Before then, after E, F comes, we can easily remember it with 6 number. So F can be represented as 6, G 7. These 7 represents its position 7. H just make it like this. H will be represent its position 8. I itself is 9. I is alone, so it can be represented by 9. K as we I J K. J, it is already in SOT J10, so we need to K. We easily know. So many times we say, okay, what is the number at 11 position in alphabet? At the 11th position of alphabet, K. L itself says 12. L 12. L 12. M. C, it's like this 3. It means it is in 13th position. Opposite to it, W itself says it is 23. We have to keep in mind our mind that M means 13, W means 23. N 14, last N 14. N. O is already present in SOT 15. P, player, 16 player in a team. In a cricket team there is a 16 players, so P means player 16. Q is again 7, so it is not G, it must be 17. We must know Ramesh Sachin Tendulkar. It always present on our lips that Sachin is one of the best player, so we can easily remember the digits by using his name as well. 18, 19 and 20. T can be easily understood by T20. U, just say U. U means we are the two people and you are the one. V means both. We are two people and we are both together. W is already at 23 and XYZ, as you know, it is 23, 24, 25 and 26. So we can easily remember these alphabets from A to Z by their positioning 1 to 26. We can easily reverse it. We can easily know the opposite meaning of these, opposite letter of these letters. How can we do? How can we do this? We just have to remember the number 27. Let's say we just need to know the letter opposite to E. As we know that E is 5, subtract it from 27, it will become 22. What is the position of 22? That is V. So E is opposite V. From left to right, its position, fifth position E, then from right position fifth V, that is 22. We can easily know the opposite, like let's say G 7, it means 20 minus 7, that is 20. What will be 20? We know that 20 T. So we can know the opposite of these letters as well. In the second part, we are going to discuss certain problems of coding and decoding. So I think that will definitely help you to understand the alphabet from A to Z. That will help you. That will help you to solve any of the question within 2 seconds. If you know the position of anyone, let's say Delhi. How will we know the number? D means 4, E means 5, L 12, H 8, I 9. Let's say Kolkata. K 11, O 15, L 12, K 11, A 1, T 20, T 21. So we can know the positioning of each letter by using this. Thank you very much.